Today we'll be talking about copying a work order. If you have a work order that is either in scheduled or beyond, meaning scheduled, tech on-site, off-site, complete, and you want to make a duplicate of that work order, it's very easy to do. All you do is you come down, you open up the work order that you want to copy. Here in the upper right-hand corner, next to the status, there's a three-dot button. We'll select that. Simply select Copy New Work Order. Enter in the work order title and select the Copy Work Order button. After doing so, if we come back to the dashboard here, we'll open up this project. We can now see that there is a work order in the draft column. So this work order here, replace media player on digital menu board, is a duplicate of this work order that was scheduled. If you have any questions, let us know.